Logos are the literal face of any brand, and for those who want an extra personal touch, Illustrator mascot logo templates are the way to go. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the 10 best options available on Envato Elements. From fierce phoenixes to bubbly goldfish, these logos are perfect for creating an identity that will stand out from the competition. Let's jump in. Number 10. Spartan Squad Mascot Esport Logo by AQR Studio. When it comes to portraying your brand in the form of a mascot, you want to choose one that stands out and reflects the characteristics of your community or organization. The Spartan, a symbol of strength and resilience, is perfect for those looking to convey trust, longevity, and fortitude, and is brilliantly illustrated in this logo template. Number 9. Wolf Mascot Logo by Ben Pen Studio. Wolves are wild, vicious creatures. So what better way to convey your brand's strength and ferocity than depicting one in your logo? This wolf mascot logo will give your business, sports team, or esports organization the look and feel of a powerful, dangerous creature. Number 8. Steak Mascot Logo by Yoga Pradana 7. Meat lovers rejoice! This steak mascot logo is the perfect way to show off your love for all things meat. The design itself features a cartoon steak character with a bold and confident expression, along with a text heading in a modern and simple font that really makes the design stand out. It's the perfect mascot for restaurants, food delivery services, or any business that prides itself on serving hearty food. Number 7. Owl Mascot Logo by Max Hendra 27. If you want to make your presence known, this mascot logo is the perfect way to do it. The bug-eyed owl mascot is both eye-catching and memorable, and its vibrant colors are sure to make your brand stand out. Best of all, this logo comes in a 100% scalable vector file, so you can easily resize and edit it to fit your needs. Number 6. Chameleon Mascot Logo by Julia Wan 90. Does your brand do creative work? If so, this chameleon might be the perfect animal to represent it. Sitting atop a pencil, this mascot logo design can be used on anything from banners to t-shirts. It has a distinct character that stands out, and just like an actual chameleon, can change color when edited in Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. If you're looking for more ways to enhance your brand's presence, take a look at Envato Elements. It's a digital library full of millions of creative assets like presentation templates, business cards, social media posts, and everything in between to enhance your business visuals. You can find a link to the website in the description below. Number 5. Phoenix Mascot Logo by Eric Ultrasonic. While many of us know the phoenix for its large wings, majestic colors, and long tail, this logo goes about introducing us to the mythological legend in a new way. It focuses solely on the phoenix's most aggressive features, its face, talons, and head feathers, which appear in a fierce, fiery red. The text heading just below is built into the design, making this a great option for sports teams or those that want to use a uniform badge to represent their brand. Number 4. Medusa Mascot Logo by Unreal Stock. Don't look now, but we have the ideal mascot for those looking to make a bold statement. This Medusa mascot logo is a striking logo template with a one-of-a-kind, bold, hand-drawn design. It can be used for a variety of purposes, ranging from fashion brands and creative agencies to any business that wishes to be represented by this mighty mythological character. Number 3. Goldfish Mascot Logo by Ian Micraz. It may very well be impossible to look at this logo without feeling some degree of optimism. After all, who could keep a straight face when you've got this bright, bubbly cartoon fish staring back at you? A positive demeanor and character make this design extremely approachable and a great option for businesses looking to strike a friendly tone with customers. Number 2. Caribou Mascot Logo by Ivan Artnivora. Caribou are a common sight in many of the world's forests, and just as much a great representation of their nature. The caribou is displayed in a characteristic pose, has multiple layers of color to add shadow and depth to its form, projecting a strong, reliable, and wild image. Number 1. Swan Gradient Colorful Logo by Ivan Artnivora. Swans are beautiful creatures, and this colorful logo encapsulates their elegance with both simplicity and style. The large vector-based graphic takes on a multi-layered gradient look that could be easily used for any industry or brand. Download this pack and represent your brand with elegance. And there you have it, our rundown of the 10 best Illustrator mascot logo templates on Envato Elements. Did you have a favorite? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn post notifications on for more useful content like this. Take a look at the video shown on your screen now. You'll like it. It's been selected just for you. Catch you in the next video.